Hi, hola. Please pay attention to this urgent safety message. Meet the Segura family. They're on their way to Sunday lunch with Abuelita. When all of a sudden, something alarming happens. You see, their car has a recalled airbag made by the Takata Corporation. These airbags are currently in millions of vehicles spanning many makes and models. They could be in yours too. If the airbag goes off in a crash, the inflator may blow apart, sending pieces of metal into the vehicle. Several people have died. Hundreds have been seriously injured. And research shows that the risk is higher in hot and humid climates. Because we care about you and your family's safety, we urge you to get recalled airbags replaced immediately. It could be a matter of life and death, and the replacement is free. Find out if your vehicle has a recalled Takata airbag by visiting checkyourvehicles.com. Just provide your vehicle identification number, and if you're in need of a free replacement, call your dealer and schedule an appointment immediately. So please, don't wait another moment to take action. And tell your family, your friends, your neighbors. Tell everyone. Check your vehicles now.